Hi guys, welcome back to our Wixel series. Previously, we've learned how to create a document with Wixel. Today, we are going to dig deeper into how you can edit your generated document. Let's get started. So go to wixel.com and go to My Projects on the upper right. So you'll then be taken to your projects page. So select the document that you're going to work on. So this one, for example, the one we've previously generated. Now we will be taken to the Wixel beta editor. So this is where we're going to customize our document. I'm going to enter the full view or the focus view so that we'll be able to see our document clearly. All right. So if there is any text that you wish to edit, you can just simply click wherever that text is and then basically replace that text or just start typing. If you also wish to add elements such as images, graphics, layout elements, etc., go to Elements over here, and this panel will open on the left side of your screen. And using the search bar over here, look for whatever element it is that you wish to add to your document. Then go to its category to filter results. So say, for example, we'd like to use this one. To add it, just simply drag and drop it to your page and it'll then successfully be added. You can also resize it. By the way, you'll have to manually add spaces because unlike Canva, where you can freely move elements around, here you can only move text elements by pressing enter so that you'll have enough space to accommodate your graphic element or whatever media it is that you'd like to add to your document. If in case you want to change its colors, go to color here and change it to whatever color you like, just like that. All right, so moving on, we have themes. So here you can select from themes that are available. Wixel usually has preset themes that you can just choose from, like these. But if you like, you can just edit your existing theme. So hover over it and click on Edit Theme. And here you can choose your preferred color palette and change your preferred font set. So go ahead and tweak these according to your preferences. And once you're done, your changes will automatically be saved. If you wish to, you can share and download your document by going to Share and Download here on the top right. You'll see a preview of it. And if you want to share it, you can create a shareable link or post it directly to your social media profiles. Or you can download it to your PC. So that's it for today. Hope you guys found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.